Jenna rummaged through her pantry looking for something quick and easy to make for dinner. But then she remembered it was Let's All Eat Right Day. She decided it was time to skip the ramen noodles and make a healthy home-cooked meal. Let's All Eat Right Day was founded in 2010 to promote good nutrition and balanced eating habits. In a world where fast food and processed meals have become the norm, this day aims to encourage people to get back to basics by choosing whole foods and cooking at home. Healthy eating provides energy, boosts mood, and reduces the risk of disease. Yet many people struggle to incorporate nutritious home-cooked meals into their daily lives. Rather than grabbing takeout or a frozen dinner, Jenna was inspired to make positive changes to her diet on this day. She looked through recipes and chose a black bean burrito bowl with rice, salsa, avocado, and all the fixings. As she chopped vegetables and shimmered beans, her mouth began to water thinking about the flavors of feast she was creating. After everything was prepared, Jenna served herself a bowl and enjoyed her meal, noticing how much more satisfied she felt compared to eating out of a wrapper or takeout container. She had also made enough for leftovers, giving her healthy lunches to take to work for the next couple of days. As Jenna cleaned up the kitchen, she felt proud of her accomplishment. To celebrate Let's All Eat Right Day, many people choose to try a new nutritious recipe, add extra veggie to their plate, or swap processed snacks for whole foods like fruits and nuts. Community organizations host healthy potlucks, nutrition seminars, and food education events. Some schools even play healthy eating activities and competitions to teach kids the importance of balanced nutrition. The goal of Let's All Eat Right Day is to build momentum around wholesome eating habits and home cooking that lasts well beyond a single day. By trying something new and nutritious today, you can inspire positive change and improve your healthy, happiness, and quality of life for years to come. A balanced diet has significant long-term benefits. So start developing healthy habits today and continue nurturing your body and mind with home-cooked meals packed with fresh, nutritious ingredients. Let's all eat right. February 25 is Let's All Eat Right Day. Here is our painting with all your pastas for this special day, and have a wonderful Let's All Eat Right Day. Cheers!